What's going on, you? It's your boy DS Dan. I am back again with a video for you guys. Take a look, man. We got the Air Jordan 6 Midnight Navies set to release May 11th. Hopefully the date won't change, with a retail price of 200 bucks. Dope colorway right here. Last time these were released was in what, 2000? Dope colorway. About to give you guys a detailed review and an on feet, so stay tuned for that on feet. And also, before we get into this video, you all you guys out there, make sure you hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and also notification bell so you can get notified when I upload videos like these. Big shout out to my brothers over at Chicago EMPORIUM. I'm gonna leave their link in the description. You guys need sneakers, go follow them, go check them out. Trust me, you won't regret it. Let's get straight into this review. Real quick, simple, straight to the point. Y'all know how I do, and I'm gonna show you guys how they look on feet so you guys can decide if you want to pick these up on May 11th. Take a look at the box. Regular Jordan 6 box, but they did put the navy on it with the white Jumpman. Take a look at the size tag. Size tag reads Air Jordan 6 Retro. The colorway is white midnight navy. Retail will be 200 bucks. Now inside the box, you got that regular speckle paper. I'll give you guys a 360 look. Take a look, man. Look at that booty. Look at that Jumpman back there. Very, very nice pair of kicks right here. Classic in my opinion. Start off with the outsole. Take a look at the outsole. Translucent outsole with the navy blue, the white Jumpman. Got the navy on the midsole that goes around the shoe. All white tumble leather upper. Now the tumble leather on the shoe is pretty nice, I must say. It's real soft. They did their thing. The quality is real nice. Got your perforated holes on the upper with the tumble leather. Let me give you guys a close-up. Look at the leather. Very nice, very nice. White on the front of the toe box. White laces. Doesn't come with any extra set of laces. You do got the lace lock in navy with the white Jumpman. Over here, you do got your navy Jumpman stitched in. Tongue. You got the Air Jordan on it. Let's get to the medial side. Medial, same as the lateral. You got your white on the midsole with the navy. Air bubble unit right there is clear. All right, and you guys can see all white tumble leather upper. Like I said, the leather is really, really soft and nice. You can see the tumble effect. Look at that. Take a look at inside. All navy inner sole, sock liner in white, and you got the white Jumpman in there. Back of the shoe, you guys can see you got the navy Jumpman stitched in, and it does say Air in the white. Spoiler in the back with the white stripe with the navy. These are clean, man. I like these a lot. Now, as for sizing on these, I do recommend you guys go true to size. Go true to size, you'll be good to go. I even recommend going down half a size if you want. Jordan 6s to me run big, but that's up to you. Let me know what you guys think in the comment sections below. Is this a cop? Is it a pass? What you guys think about these. These are really nice for the summer, guys. I love the colorway. I would rate these probably a 7.5. You know, a 10 gotta be like some shoe, like one of your all-time favorite shoes. So that's why I picked like a 7.5, which is good. I like them a lot. Follow me on Instagram. I'm about to get into this on feet for you guys, so you guys can see how they look on feet and decide if you want them or not. You know what I'm saying? On May 11th. So yeah, hit that thumbs up, man. Subscribe to the channel, and we about to get into this on feet. It's your boy DS Dan. I'm gone.